this out, guys, at Target. They got two of the aerial bots to form. Ooh, this guy's tight. Air raid. Look at that. F-15 jet pilot. Looks sick, dude. And look at this guy. Waspinator, I believe. I like the original insect one. Look at this. Look at Prima Prime. Prima Prime. Homie got a sword. Like Dark Souls and shit. Or like Elden Rings. Got this police guy. Red Alert. You got a Superman up there. Superman. Got a Night Master. Hey, what's up, man? What's up, brother? Good to see you. I got one of my Transformers here, Air Raid. He's gonna combine. He's a combiner, homeboy. Shit. You know the one that forms a big robot? Superion. Yeah, I have no that. None. Nah, I didn't get that guy. I saw him like 5 times already.
Wait, let me go.
Okay. Look at this. Night Master. Platinum. What else they got? Shit, they got Homer. Maggie. It's Maggie. Maggie right here. What else they got? Almighty Mermaid Man in the flesh. Got the Mechanic. Heart Foundation. Big Daddy Sexy. It's Big Daddy Sexy right there. The collectors. Dragon Ball. Oh, they got a Dracula right here. What does Dracula look like? Oh, it's the homeboy. I just dropped the Air Raid. Christopher Lee, remember him? He was in Lord of the Rings. Got this. Oh snap. They got the 3-pack Gremlin, guys. Look at that. Pretty dope. That's dope. Taking you home. Alright, one more thing, guys. I got the Overload right here, Constructicon. Look at that shit. Dope. Look, close up, homeboy right there. Damn, the flesh. They better release the other Constructicons too. You know what I'm saying? Alright, guys. Peace out.